Hello everyone, thanks for visiting again. I'm going to go over my version of a homemade cold Italian deli sandwich. Just my version of it. And I'm going to go over the ingredients first, and then I'll go over some of the processes that I went through. So basically I just grabbed a French roll or a baguette or something, whatever bread you want really, some type of roll or sorts. I did provolone cheese, ham, pepperoni, salami, and capicola. And then for the veggies, I did lettuce, onion, olive, tomato, banana peppers. And then I did vinegar or red wine vinegar and olive oil. And some ground black pepper and some dried oregano and sage from my garden. And some of the processes that I had was I get the meat sliced really thin from the deli. It's like a 1 or below on the scale, like just really thin. And to make sure to have everything cold, all the ingredients cold and in the refrigerator before I start preparing them. And then I also prepare all the ingredients and cut all the vegetables and have everything ready before I start the sandwich. It just makes the sandwich process a lot quicker when you build it. And that's my version of a homemade cold Italian deli sandwich. Thank you again for watching and for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and comment below if you have any feedback, and thank you again and take care.